Good selection of coats. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. It is still like 4 a.m. I think. It's even still dark in the Netherlands right now, and it's summer, so that's saying a lot. I very clearly booked a flight that's way too early for my liking. I'm not even going to bother with public transport. I'm just ordering an Uber from The Hague to Schiphol. So yeah, probably see you in Madrid. She just asked if I was okay.
And like, he's really not. Like, you guys,
That's like the best you guys had.
yeah,
I'd
like,
say.
he's
Orang Spanyol kok ngomong cepet banget.
Iya.
Yeah, your neighborhood's nice. Nice.
Oh, this one I have to do.
They look so big.
She got access to my Uber.
That's very
That's
easy.
so easy. That's like
It's
one,
very,
two, three,
it's what to do for, yeah.
This is the one that we had the first time kan
I think so.
Caliente.
Caliente. Muy caliente.
He didn't say caliente.
It's like Kera.
Just one. Quema.
Quema.
Cuidado que quema.
Está bien.
Good morning. I am in Madrid. It's about 38 degrees today, but I found these plants, which instantly gave me like nostalgia, because I can smell this. It's insane how smells can just take you back to a place, because I grew up with this smell in Illinois. Normally in Illinois, I shouldn't say normally, but in Illinois they would be in the shape of like, you know, those big the Christmas trees, but giant ones. Anyway, immediately transported back to my childhood because of that. I'm at Park del Oeste, I think. I might be wrong. Just taking a walk. I'm in Madrid to visit my sister, and I'm here for quite a while actually. Very happy. We're gonna take some day trips while I'm here, but currently I'm just have a day alone. I'm guessing this is like 10 meters high. There's a bird's nest up there, which I just spotted as I turned the camera on. I'm just gonna make my way into the tree. Okay, now I'm off to find some food, and then I'm gonna go thrifting a bit.
So I don't really see. I just see him not wearing a shirt. Tapi celananya kayaknya ada deh. Right. That is literally his. Itu celananya.
I thought he wasn't wearing pants. Yeah.
No. I was like, Ray, if you want to see, just put on sunglasses so he doesn't know you're looking at him.
I made eye contact, so I ran away.
But no, he has it. I can see why you thought he didn't, karena sebelahnya itu jemuran dia. So it was as if it was his pants hanging, but it's actually on him. Isn't that so
Good selection of coats, but they all run a bit large. I found these shorts for €5. Oh, it's like circus themed. Successful day at the thrift. I got like 3 things for myself: a jacket, a top, and some shorts, and then I got Kevin a little vest as well. I think it's a lot cheaper to thrift in Madrid than it is in Amsterdam or The Hague, but I'm very happy. And now Amanda is about to show me a house of a little mouse. So Amanda knows the mouse that lives here. Oh, it's a little mouse. There's a picture of a tooth.
Yeah, there's a picture of him. There's a portrait,
Yeah.
a self-portrait. And then his bed.
There's some cheese. This is cute too, but in Ralph Lauren, Polo Ralph Lauren Kids. I got my sister to come in and try it on as well.
It's cute. We should just get matching.
I'm getting it.
Dresses. No, I'm gonna get it too.
You are?
Yes.
Feel the thunder, sing it! Lightning and the thunder. If it's available to you, go to therapy. I've been in therapy for many years. I'm still in therapy. I'll be in therapy to the very bitter end. This does not make you weak. This does not make you weak to reach out. This makes you wise. It makes you strong. We need each other. We need each other. Stay with us. Stay alive. Your life is always worth living. Your life is always worth living. Stay with us. We love you. That's all Imagine Dragons is. Thank you. See, I'm far from good, it's true. Still I find you next to me.
Keep the pace, keep the pace.
This is me. This is being what being a millennial feels like.
You wanna go that way?
Let's go this way.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Ah! You're gonna get sprayed. Lul.
Oh no, they missed. They missed
Huh?
us.
Again. Where's the sprinkler? Not necessarily. So pretty. Wow.
Zoom in on.
I just did.
Yeah, I think we said these look like dinosaur feet, remember?
Whoa.
Oh, they are so great. Whatever.
A good one.
Oh, I feel like if you're gonna do a roll,
Euros.
Repilih itu, ini, Paris breast, shoe chantilly.
Make sure that you never